Good afternoon, my name is Hector Ramos and I work in the kitchen house company in the purchase and sales department. The following presentation is a detailed report of the properties that contain induction cooker and electric cooker so that the company makes the best investment to meet the needs of customer. Now we will talk about the operation of each kitchen. First, we will talk about the electric kitchens. This type of the stove, as shown in the following picture, has a iron iron plate inside it, together with a great long resistance with a different size and power. This resistance is the one that opposes the passage of the current getting heated by yellow effect, and it's this heat that allow the cooking of food. And about the induction cooker, this works by means of a magnetic field created by the ferromagnetic core by the induction of the electric current in the coil. This field having contact with a magnetic plate in proceed to the heat. And among the relevant aspects of the electric cooker, we have in the social aspect, this kitchen is easy to use because it works to push a button and doesn't need a special electrical installation, and it is safe because there isn't gas leak. And the economic aspect, its price is cheap, but demand of the great consuming of energy. And environment aspect, this kitchen it helps reduce pollution since its source of energy is electricity and not pollution gas. Another property that use any type of container for cooking and it's more resistant than induction cooker. Now, among the most relevant aspects of the induction cooker, we have in the social, this type of kitchen has a program managed by the government to be purchased by customer. Mm, and other aspect, for example, economic, each price is expensive and the person needs to buy magnetic cooking contain for cooking. The environment aspect, uh, this kitchen reduce loss of energy and natural resources that generate. And finally, this type of kitchen are elegant but not resistant. Don't don't forget to make morally correct marketing decision.